Hello students, good morning. Now we are going to solve another question. The question is the mean of the following frequency table is 50. Find the missing frequencies. So here the mean is given. Here the frequencies are missing. This is x and this is y. So what should be the x and y values so that the mean of the given data will become 50. Okay, and one more thing is given here. Total is 120. So what do you mean by 120 is the sum of all these numbers must be equals to 120. That is, sum of all the frequencies will become 120. Okay, so let me write the table, the given question in the horizontal way. So I have converted into vertical table. Let's see how it works. So in the direct method, we know already discussed in the example in the previous videos how to find the xi. I got this 10 here by taking the average of these two numbers, and similarly I got 30 by taking the average of these two numbers, and so on. And I got 90 average of these two numbers. 80 plus 100 by 2, 180 by 2 is 90. So after getting the exercise, we already discussed how to find FID exercise. So FIXI means 17 into 10, which will be 170. X into 30 is 30x. Then 32 into 50 will be 1600. 70 into y will be 70y. 19 into 19 will be 1713. So by adding all these numbers, I mean to say if you add, you cannot add this 30x and 70y because they are the two non-identical variables, so you cannot add them. So if you add first number, that is 170 plus 1610 is 1710, 70. 1770 plus 1710 will become 3418. So then this 30x and 70y I kept here as it is. As we are adding, that's why I use the positive signs. So this is the sum of all frequencies, FIXI. Now here you got sum of frequencies. If I add all these numbers, okay, that is 17 plus 32 is 49, 49 plus 19 is 68, then plus x plus y. This is the sum of the frequencies. I got it by adding the given frequencies, but they are given sum of the frequencies also as 120. So because here also the frequencies are same, they said this sum will give me 120, and this is the frequency I got as a sum of all the frequencies. So both the frequencies must be same. So that's why here I have taken 68 plus x plus y equals to 120. Then bring 68, here it is on the left side, so bring it to right side. So plus 68 will become minus 68. Then 120 minus 68 is 52. That is x plus y equals to 52. You can take this as equation number 1, or what you can do is keep this x on the left only, bring y on the right side. So plus y will become minus y. So x equals to 52 minus y. You can take this as equation number 1, or maybe this as a 1. Anything is okay. So this is the first equation we got it. Now if I come to the formula of the mean that we already discussed, sum of FIXI upon sum of FI. If you remember the question, the mean in the question is given as 50. If you see here, mean is given as 50. So that's why in place of mean, I replaced 50. And in place of FIXI, I kept here the numerator and summation of FI. Yeah, when they say sum of FI, here I have taken as 120. Instead of 120, you can put 68 plus x plus y, or if you want easy calculations, so better you keep 120 in the denominator. Now what happens is this 120 is in the denominator. If I bring it to the left side, so it will multiply 50 into 120, that I will get it as 6000. And the numerator I kept as it is, 3800 and all. Now if 3840 if I bring on the left side, so it will become 6000. This 3840 here it is positive number, so that will become negative number here, and rest of the terms will remain same, 30x plus 70y. Now if I subtract these numbers, 6000 minus 3480, I'll get as 25, 20 equals to. Now if you observe, each and every number here is divisible by 10. So that's why I divided, or I have taken 10 common and cancel on both the sides. So I'll get 252 equals to 3x plus 7y. This is equation number 2. What I do in this equation is, I'll keep this 252 as is, equals to 3 in place of x. What I do here, I have the x value as 52 minus y. So in place of x here, I'll put 52 minus y, and then I'll get here plus 7y. So if I simplify this equation, I think everybody knows how to simplify the linear equations in one variable. Now 3 into 52 is 156 minus 3 into y is 3y, then plus 7y will remain as is. In the next line, if I go, so it will come 252 minus 156. Again here 156 I am bringing to left side. Now if you see here, this is minus 3y and this is plus 7y. So minus 3y plus 7y is 4y. Now can you do the subtraction for 252 minus 156? I think this should give me 96 equals to 4y. So if I want y value, then what you do? You have to divide with 4. Can you tell me what you get by dividing with 4? I think y value will come as, and then I'll get what is this, y equals to 96 upon 4, that will be equals to 24. So therefore y value is 24. Now if I want x value, I know y value is 24, so can I substitute x value here? So I already have, let me write here only so that you won't get confused. So x equals to 52 minus y, that's what actually equation is. And then what you can do is, you can take x equals to 52 minus 24. I think 52 minus 24, you know what to subtract. How to subtract? I think answer is 28. So x equals to 28. So in the entire question here, two things will be given to you. If one variable is missing, so whether they give you the mean or they give you the sum of any one of them. If x and y both variables are there, then they have to give the mean and they have to give the total frequencies. Okay, so the question can be missing one variable, one frequency, or it has to be missing two frequencies. Understood? So this is how you solve the question of how to find the missing frequencies when mean is given and the sum of all the frequencies is given. Okay, so first for this, what we have done, just take a quick review. The table is copied, then we got xi, then we got fi xi, then we found sum of fi xi, then we found sum of fi here, then made equal sum of the actual sum of fi's and the fi's which they are given. So that's how I got the equation number 1 here. Then I use the mean formula, sum of fi xi, then I substitute mean is given as 50 in the question, so I substituted. In the numerator I substituted the what fi xi I got, denominator I substituted sum of fi's which is given as 120, then I simplified. After reaching the equation number 2, this is a little bit tricky, you have to remember. So in place of x, I replace x value as 52 minus y. So instead of x, you can remove y also. So here if I take y, x value the right side, I'll get y equals to 52 minus x. So in place of y here, you can replace 52 minus x. That way also you can solve. It's not that you have to always take x there only, you can take y also, no problem. Thank you. Have a nice